children, good morning. What did you learn in the last class? Activity book activities and workbook exercises completed. Take out your course book, children. Open page number 26. See here, games we play lesson. Games we play. Okay, games. Games are a means to improve social skills and physical and mental health of children. Okay, games are a means to improve social skills and physical and mental health of children. Some life skills such as patience, self-confidence, healthy competitive spirit and control over emotions can be inculcated in children through games and sports. Playing a sport channelizes the extra energy in the children in the right direction and helps them in developing concentration. Playing games and engaging in outdoor activities are indispensable to a child's development and growth. Next, see here. Can you identify? See here, children. Can you identify these renowned people? What are they associated with? Great cricket player. Most popular cricket player Sachin Tendulkar, chess player Vishwanath Anand, and tennis player Serena Williams. Next, running player Usain Bolt. Identify the game by looking at the trophy. See this trophy, cricket, football. This is a football. Cricket, football, boxing, tennis. Next, basketball, archery, badminton, golf. Next, see here, volleyball, weightlifting, swimming, high jump, cycling, baseball, javelin throw, basketball, golf, etching, polo, gymnastic, archery, car racing, shooting. Next, running. Some of the above games or sports are played on land and some in water. Okay, this is a water. Etching in water. Land, cycling land, baseball land, basketball land. Next, see here, children. Games and sports are played on land and some in water. In some games, bats and balls are used. Players throw, hit and kick the ball depending on the type of game. Only hands and legs are used in some games. Some games are played by mountaining on animal or vehicle. Some games are played with special equipment. Next, see here, children. In this picture, these children are also playing games. These are video games, but they are missing something. Can you guess what is it? This physical exercise. How are the above games different from these games? Which do you think are better? Next, see here, children. Nowadays, due to the increasing popularity of computer or video games and television, most of the children are neglecting playground and physical games. The idea of a good and perfect life is to have a sound mind in a sound body. To enjoy sound health, physical exercise to essential. Physical exercise is essential. To enjoy sound health, physical exercise is essential. In this lesson, we shall learn about the importance of playing games and also about the different types of games and sports. Next, see here, children. Games and sports. Sports and games keep us healthy and fit. They offer us a change from the monotony of daily life. They are a useful means of entertainment and physical activity. They help us in character building and also give us energy, strength. See here, games and sports. Inculcated qualities of leadership and teamwork and develop a strong body and sound mind. Next, teach children to accept defeat as a part of the game's sportsmanship. Next, educate and prepare children for life. Next, serve as a let out for emotions. Next, are a great source of recreation, develop patience and tolerance in children. The state and central government are also encouraging games and sports from child level, school level. School level sports schools are established for the budding sports stars. Reservations are provided under sports quota for admissions into various courses and for employment in different fields. Next, can you identify these games? Yes, you need a playground to play these games? No, this is a chess, caroms, ludo, business game, snake and ladder, unogum. These are board games and much physical activity is not required to play these games. These can be played inside a house or a room. Next, see here children. Can you identify this game? This is a table tennis. This is table tennis, also known as a ping pong, and is played on a table inside a room. The game which can be played inside a room or a building are called indoor game. What is called indoor game? The games which can be played inside a room or a building are called indoor games. Next, see here some other well-known indoor games: badminton, snookers, squash, judo. Next, see here children, the games played outside or in the ground are called outdoor games. This is a outdoor game. See here, what are called outdoor games? The games played outside or in the ground are called outdoor games, but with the construction of huge indoor stadiums and synthetic courts. The games once played outdoor are now being played indoor. Okay? Indoor games, outdoor games. What are called indoor games? The games which can be played inside a room or building are called indoor games. Example: badminton, table tennis, snookers. Next, outdoor game. The games played outside or in the ground are called outdoor games. For example, cricket, football. Okay, next. See here children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rings. These are called Olympic rings. Which event does this logo represent? Olympic Games. This logo represent Olympic Games. Commonwealth Games. Actually, World Championship of different games are very big international sporting event. Let us know about some of the games which are played at national and international levels. Each game has its own set of rules. All these games are played by both men or women. See here, this is a kabaddi. Have you ever played this game? What is this game called? Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a very old traditional game in India. What is the old traditional game in India? Kabaddi. Kabaddi is a old traditional game in India. 7 players form a team. How many players? Each team? 7 players. And compete with another team of 7 players. There will be 2 halves of 20 minutes each with a break of 5 minutes. One rider from each side enters the opponent's court alternately chanting kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. The rider tries to touch the opponents and the opponents try to catch the rider. The side which scores more points within the stipulated time will be the winner. Okay children. Next, kabaddi is a old traditional game in India. Each team has 7 players. Okay, next, see here. Here, some children are seen sitting on their knees in a row alternately facing opposite directions. Some are running and touching others. What is this game called? This game is called Kho-Kho. See here children, Kho-Kho is one of the popular traditional game in India. What is the popular traditional game in India? Kho-Kho. It is a simple, inexpensive and enjoyable game. It does, however, demand physical fitness, strength, speed and stamina. This match played between two teams with 9 players in each team. How many players in each team? 9 players. Consist of two innings. An inning consists of catching and running turns of each in a stipulated time. Members of the chasing team have to put their opponent team out but touching them. The runners try to escape the chasers. An activity chasers can change position with a seated chasers. The team which dismisses more opponents in the stipulated time wins the match. Okay children, this is a one of the popular traditional game Kho-Kho. Each team have nine players. How many players in each team has 9 players? See here children, look at this picture. PV Sindhu, badminton. Okay, badminton is played using rackets to hit a shuttlecock across a net. It is played in singles, doubles and mixed doubles formats. A match consists of 3 games. How many games? 3 games. The first player or team to attain the course of 21 points wins the game. How many points? 21 points. Next, this is a hockey. What is our national game? Hockey is our national game. It is played between two teams of 11 players each with hockey sticks and a hard solid plastic ball. The game is divided into 2 halves of 35 minutes, each with a break of 7 minutes. The team has scored the most goals in the match wins. Next. See here children, which is the most popular game in the world? See here children, this is a football. Football is also known as circus. It is a game that involves kicking a ball with the foot to score a goal. Each team should have 11 players. Including a goalkeeper. A typically soccer match consists of 2 45 minutes halves and a 15 minutes half time break. Next game. What is the most popular game in India? Cricket. Cricket is the most popular game in India. It is a bat and ball game played between two teams of 11 players each. Each team takes turns to bat and attempts to score runs while the other team fields. Each batsman continues batting until he is out. Next, Sania Mirza. Identify the player and the game in the picture. Sania Mirza tennis game. In the tennis, each player uses a racket to strike a whole rubber ball over a net into the opponent's court. It is also played in singles, doubles and mixed doubles formats. Wimbledon in England is the most prestigious tennis tournament in the world. Next, identify these sports. See here children, running, jumping, shot put, these are athletics. Is a collection of sporting events which are mostly based on individual skill, strength and endurance. They are considered to be the mother of all games. Track, field events include running, jumping and throwing. The shortest and longest running race in the Olympics are 100-meter sprint and marathon 42.195 kilometers respectively. Next, observe the details about some of the popular games, sports and the world. See here, game, sports, player in a team played with. Next, associated terms, national games. First one, see here, children, football. 11 members, players in team 11 played with ball. Next, associated terms, goal, pass, penalty, defender, foul. National game of Germany. Next, baseball 9, bat, ball, pitcher, land runner, batter, fly ball, USA. Basketball 5, ball, drive, free throw, pass, shot. Next, Estonia. Volleyball 6, ball, spike, block, serve, pass, cut, shot, Sri Lanka. Cricket 11, bat and ball, over, runs, wicket, boundary, catch, England. Hockey 11 numbers, stick and ball, free hit, goalkeeper, penalty corner, and Pakistan national game. Next, India national game also cricket. Pakistan national game cricket. Badminton game, badminton 1 or 2 players in a team, racket, shuttlecock, rally, baseline, net shot, smash, kill, Indonesia. Tennis 1 or 2 racket, ball, ace, advantage, deuce, serve, backhand. Next, table tennis 1, 2 racket, ball, forehand, drop shot, spin, smash, block, China. Golf 1, golf club and ball, hole, pair, bride, bogey, turn, fly, eagle, Scotland. Chess 1, 16 pieces, 6 types, move, check, pawn, rook, gambit, knight, Russia. Kabaddi 7 players, can't touch, rider, tackle, all out, point, Bangladesh. Okay, next page. See here, how can we distinguish a game for a sport? There is an overlap between games and sports. If the contest is between two individual opponents or teams, it can be considered as a game. What is a game, children? See here, there is an overlap between games and sports. If the contest is between two individual opponents or teams, it can be considered as a game. This is a game. Okay, cricket, boxing, games. Next, see here, running. If the competition is between one and many, that event can be considered as a sport. If the competition is between one and many, that event can be considered as a sport. Next, a sports person always gains popularity for his skills in the individual events. But in team events, it is not only the individual who gains popularity but the entire team. Okay, next, see here, children, Dhyan Chand. Do you know Dhyan Chand? The government of India designated 29 August as the National Sports Day. When we celebrated National Sports Day, 29th August. 29th August happens to be the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, who made India proud by winning 3 successive Olympic gold medals in hockey. He is considered as the greatest hockey player ever. Okay, children, whose birthday celebrated National Sports Day? Dhyan Chand birthday. 29th August happens to be the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand, hockey player. Now I am going to tell you about activity book activity. See here games we play. Color the picture and identify the game. See here children, color the picture and identify this game. What is this game? This game is a football. Children, color neatly at home and write here football. Next, observe the equipment and identify the game and sports. Basketball, football, golf, volleyball, hockey, weightlifting, chess, badminton, cricket, baseball, table tennis, tennis, archery, boxing, cycling, shooting. Next, page number 20. Paste the stickers of the legends associated with the given games or sports. Do you know their names? Take help from the word bank. Hockey, Dhyan Chand. Children, these stickers given in this book last page. Collect and paste here neatly. Write neatly names. Next, tennis, Serena Williams. Cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Chess, Vishwanath Anand. Next, running, Usain Bolt. Football, Pele. Next, swimming, Michael Phillips. Next, Tiger Woods. Golf. Okay, see here children. These are names. Next, put G for games and S for sports. This is a game, sports, game, sport. Next, sport, game, sport, game. Next, complete the crossword puzzle. See here, chess, CHESS, chess. Next, volleyball, VOLLEYBALL, volleyball. Next, GOLF, golf, BOXING, boxing. Next, see here, third one, football, FOOT, foot, BALL, ball. Next, baseball, BASEBALL. Next, basketball, table tennis, badminton. Number 1, badminton. Next, kabaddi, snooker. Okay. See here, which parameter decides the winner in the following games or sports? Match the following. See here, runs, cricket. Okay. Next, goals, football. Next, see here, points, kabaddi. Next, kilogram, weightlifting, meters. Next, you can see here, meters, seconds, running, long jump. Okay. Next, identify the following games: polo, snake and ladder, car racing, hatching, gymnastics, caroms, shot put, karate. Okay children, activity book activity is completed. Tomorrow I will explain and workbook exercises. Thank you.